Hi guys, today I'm going to do a virtual walk around our fresh in stock Audi Q3. It's the 2 litre diesel, it's the TDI, it's also the 150 horsepower one, and it's finished in this gorgeous Mythos black. As you can tell, absolutely gorgeous, looks lovely especially in the sun. This is also the S-Line edition, so you have the nice S-Line styling kit, which looks absolutely amazing, makes it stand out. If we go down to the alloys, we have the 18-inch twin spoke alloys, finished in black as well, with the nice Audi centre casings on there too, which just look great with the rest of the car. If we go to the front, you have your Audi LED headlights with daytime running lights. Really lovely lights, really bright and powerful, and they look great as well. We have the nice S-Line front bumper with the nice S-Line splitter, sorry, which is in black as well. And you also have the black grills, which go nicely with the chrome Audi badging. If we go to the sides, you can see with the nice S-Line badging on the side. Matching coloured wing mirrors to the body colour, you have your indicators on there too, and black housing. Lovely black trim going on the outside of the windows, black B-pillars, and also black roof bars. So it's all blacked out, so it looks great. We do have matching coloured door handles as well, which is a bonus, which looks great. If we go to the rear, you can see we have the nice diffuser, which is also body coloured, which looks lovely. You have the two exhaust tips, which are in chrome. If we open up the boot, if we actually lock the car first, you can see we have the sweeping indicators, which is a lovely finish on the car. If we open up the boot and press the button, the boot will pop open on its own. Absolutely great boot space, you couldn't ask for much more really. You've got a lovely mat in there as well with your Q3 badging on. You also have a load space cover, which is lovely. If we press this button, the boot will close on its own. If we go into the car, if we unlock the car, you can see you've got the gorgeous half leather, half cloth seats with white contrast stitching in them. Really comfy seats and really spacious as well. You can fit 3 people in there nicely. You also have your rear fans, your climate control, which can be adjusted in the back, and you also have your charging point down there too. If we go into the driving seat, we have the same style seats, but you've got a bit more lumbar support with these, so they kind of hug you. You also have your nice S-Line engraving on there too. These do have the back support electric bit, so you can adjust the back support as well to adjust to your back, which is lovely. We get into the car and we turn the car on. We press the foot of the clutch, turn the car on, and everything works and turns on perfectly. We have the lovely S-Line steering wheel with controls on either side. So on this side you've got your virtual driving dash controls, so you can go through your different displays, change radio stations, see what's going on with the car, get different dials up, which is really nice. And this side you've got your volume control and your voice command as well, which is great. If we move down here, you can see you've got your cruise control and limiter, which is nicely located there, so it's just easy to flick on and flick off if you want to use it. Moving down, fully electric automatic windows, and then you've got child lock settings, electric folding wing mirrors too, which is great. Central locking buttons located here, then you've got your boot switch here as well. If we go over to the media display, which is controlled through these buttons down here, you can see you have DAB, FM and AM radios, so you can actually have internet radio, which is lovely. If we go back again, you can see you can change the sound of the speakers as well, so you can get your Bluetooth, your bass, treble, everything. You can adjust it to how you want it to be sounding, which is lovely. We do have all the different car settings as well, such as the dynamic modes, auto modes, comfort modes and efficiency. So auto, you can just have the car drive, like kind of feel how you're driving, it'll adjust to that. Comfort mode for everyday driving. Efficiency mode if you want to try to save a bit of fuel but you lose a bit of responsiveness. Then you've got dynamic mode for if you want to get a bit more power and out the throttle as well, a bit more responsiveness as well, which is great. If we go back to your media display, you can see we have Bluetooth and USB as well to connect your own phone through your own music, which is lovely. And you do have the SD card capability, and also you can have the CD player as well, which is great. Moving down, you have your dual zone climate control with your temperatures on either side, so you can change. You have your air conditioning, air circulation, and you can sync all that if you want. Front and rear defogging as well, which is great. Obviously you've got your drive select modes, automatic stop start, traction control, and your parking sensors button. So if you put the car in reverse, you can see you've got a nice display showing your front and rear parking sensors. If you want to turn the sensors off, you can just press that button, the sensors will turn off. Moving down, we have your electric handbrake, which is also automatic, so you can just literally just put it in drive and set off and it'll turn off. It's really nice and easy to use, and it's just there, so you're not like knocking into it or anything. got 2 drinks holders, a 12 volt. So if we open up here, you have your centre console, your USB point as well, which is lovely. So if you have any more questions about this car, please feel free to contact our sales team, and potentially this could be your next new car. Cheers.